What's going on, guys? It's Chester here, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use most of the commands that I know. I know like the fill command, the teleport command, the title command, and some other more commands. So if you guys need help with those commands, you guys can watch this whole video, and you guys will be able to see the command. So without further ado, let's get right into today's adventure. Okay guys, so I am back, and the first command we are going to be looking at is the fill. Wait, come on. So let me look around. This one fill. That one fill. That one fill. Okay, so actually I'll be back in a second. Okay, so clearly, there's just something wrong with it. So the first command we are going to be looking at is the /fill command. So when I hit this button, it will fill that command block, and it will break the command block and replace it with a diamond block. So when I hit the button, it turns into a diamond block. So what you do for this is you're going to need activate cheats. Well, you're going to need your show coordinates on, and how you do that is for Minecraft Pocket Edition, you'll go to settings. And then you'll scroll down in game, and you'll see show coordinates, the second option right here, and you'll have to turn it on. And then it will say game rule show coordinates has been updated to true. So then you'll place down the command, or you can do /bomb point and it'll give you, and then you can memorize it or write it down. So then what you do is you give yourself a command block by doing /give @s or @p command. Oh, it keeps going around. Command _ block. Then you hit next, and it will give you a command block. And then you'll set it down on the ground, or you can use chat, and you'll do fill the coordinates. I'm just gonna do it there. So you need 2 things of coordinates. So I just want it to fill the command block, so I do 3 of those, and then I do it again, because those are the 2 commands, and then what you want it to fill with. So I'll just do planks, and then whenever you place it, it turn into that block. So you could have it like keep building a house for you, and yeah. So the next command we're going to be looking at is the /teleport command. So this allows you to teleport to certain players in certain places. So this will teleport me, I believe, right on top of the command block. So right when I press this button. See, so I was teleported right on to the command block. So what you're going to need is, of course, a command block and coordinates. So what you do is you go into the command block, or you can use chat again, and you do TP @p to those coordinates. Now you don't need to do it twice like in the /fill command. You only need to do it once, and then you'd hit the X. Whenever I took it, I can put it on top of the command block. So then another command I know, there's more than these commands I know, but I just don't. It'd take me a while to show the rest of them, and the rest of them are complicated. It's the /give command. So what you do is when I hit this button, it gave me a diamond. So what you normally do, you can use chat for this too. You go into the command, but if you're using command block, you do give @p diamond, or whatever you want to give yourself. and then you exit out of it, place a button, and give it an end. The next command is the /title command. So if you guys don't know what the /title command is, it's basically where whoever types it in can, if they use chat, it will put it, depending on who they put it to, it would go up on their screens. And yeah, so like when I push this button, see, it says subscribe to the channel. And then, so that's what it does. And so how you do this is you just actually go into a command block, or you can use chat, and you do title. But if you're using a command block, you have to do @p, because the @s for some reason doesn't work. See, I'll show you guys. And then so you do title @p. I'm gonna try @s, see if it works. But when I tried it didn't. And then you'll do title, whatever you want. I'm just gonna say a random thing. Then you place a button down and press it. See, it doesn't work for @s, and I don't know really why. But another thing is you can put in people's names. So if like I had someone on, I could put like Puppy Lover. I could do Puppy Lover 95122. Then I'd put it on her screen, but I'm just gonna do that here. And then see, it would just go right up on the screen. So that's all the commands. And like I said, I know more commands, but it'd take a really long time for me to show you guys, and most of them are quite complicated. Okay guys, so that's going to wrap up today's adventure. If you guys like this video, make sure to slap that like button in half. And you guys know what to do. Subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video.